Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S80 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So if you've got the situation that the screen did not respond to any touches, then you can try to force restart it. And all you have to do in order to do that is to simply press the power button, which is right here, and volume up button together until you'll see the black screen. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons. Let's ignore everything. Let's ignore this volume up and let's wait. And as you can see, we've got the black screen, so we can release the buttons and we have to wait until we will see the developer logo. And as you can see, it appears right here. And let's wait a second because it will take a while to restart. After that, your device should work normally. So the screen should work normally. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset and how to force restart your DOOGEE S80. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.